David Anderson, West Point graduate. This means I'm a patriot, and I hope you will become a patriot also. What are we trying to do? Change the USA's wasteful energy habits. I post my electric bill on my refrigerator. I've been doing this for a while. Is yours this good? Let's see, October, $17.81. November, a little more. Of course, it's a little darker. $28.58. I started posting these over a year ago, and I got my family to help out changing our wasteful waste. We slashed our electric bill in half from 2006 to 2007. Some of the things are easy. Changing light bulbs to compact fluorescents whenever they burn out. 2 out of 3 on this one. And starting to do things like turning off lights when you're not in the room, turning off TVs when you're not in the room, using natural light where you can. We started going green, and lo and behold, we found opportunity after opportunity after opportunity. It was so good, I told some of my friends about it. We decided that we needed to tell others. My New Year's resolution is probably the biggest New Year's resolution in the United States. I'm going to help Americans save $100 billion in energy costs in 2009 and get 40 million people to help do this. How are we going to do it? Stay tuned. Thanks.